Hey everybody, we're here at Bobby's Hobbies. You're here with the train hunter, Bobby, and I'm here with a Proto 1000 BUDD RDC locomotive in HO scale. It's by Proto 1000, which means it's really by Lifelike. Lifelike was a fantastic manufacturer that got absorbed, I believe, by Walters. They made fantastic stuff in the Lifelike name and also in the Proto 1000 and 2000 series. I think the 2000 has even more goodies. But this locomotive is eight-wheel drive and eight-wheel pickup. And we're going to set it up with a consist of Athearn Amtrak passenger cars. So we've got a whole bunch of cars here, and we're going to just give it a crazy test and see if it can pull these cars on its own without any help. And gee whiz, this has probably been here since the 90s. And went through that phase of loving. I never stopped loving trains, but how could you say? You get married and you have kids and all that good stuff and whatever, but it doesn't leave you with as much time for the trains. But like I said, the love of the trains never ended. And here we are, and everything was, I believe, well preserved. And there's a little miniature battleship over here. Don't want to get this damaged. I wonder what ship this is. The Scharnhorst. Must be that's rare, German battleship of some kind, or frigate or whatever. This must be an aircraft carrier. What is this? HMS Bulwark. So this is a British aircraft carrier. Look at that, with 3 little planes. Anyway, all right. What do they call that? Attention deficit disorder. Yep, that's me. Okay, here we go. Not to make light of anything, but I do think I have that. All right, let's hope that I have some couplers on here. And of course, I have the wrong couplers. Of course, it's got the modern couplers. It's got the like KD or something similar. And of course, my stuff has the old horn hook couplers. So I'm going to have to come back here and see if I can find a transition car. Come back and we'll hopefully get this running. Over and out.